Hello guys and welcome to How To tutorial. So today in this video I will guide you guys to how to log into your Walmart Mastercard account. You can use Walmart Mastercard for purchases at Walmart stores or other merchants that accept Mastercard. In order to get access to your Walmart Mastercard online, you shall be logged into your Walmart Mastercard account. For that, open a preferred web browser and on the search tab type walmart.syf.com and enter. Now go ahead and give your user ID and password. If you in case have forgotten your user ID or password, then you can recover them by clicking on I forgot my user ID or password link here. If you haven't registered your account yet, then you can register your account from I want to register link over here. After filling all the information, click on secure login button for the login. Once you are logged in, you shall be able to access your account. You can view your account balance, transaction history, make payments, and manage various account settings. So this was it for today guys. I really hope that you all guys like the video and find the video helpful. If you guys find the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to get more updates.